Hey guys, it's Leah and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a full face using collection makeup, and some of these are going to be kind of first impressions or reminding myself of the products because I haven't used them for a really long time. So I've been very lucky that Collection have sent me a bunch of their makeup in the past, and I thought I'd finally come around to testing them all out on camera and showing you guys how they perform and what I think about them. I also just quickly wanted to say I'm so sorry for not uploading a video last week. I've not been very well over this week with like a variety of different things like flu, ear pains. Like I'm deaf right now, I can barely hear in this ear, so I'm not doing great, but I thought I'd film anyway. I'm going to take off the remaining makeup I have on right now and get cracking with the video. I really hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, so the first step is primer, and I'm going to be using the Collection, obviously, Primed and Ready Mattifying Pore Minimizer Primer. This is what it looks like. I have used this multiple times before, and it's a silicone-based primer. However, it's not actually really slimy. It's kind of more like a gel. I'm just going to apply this to my face as I normally would with any other primer. This feels extremely smooth, and you can see a little bit of shine on my forehead, so it definitely isn't completely matte, but I do feel like it's a nice smoothing base for sure. And then next up we've got foundation, which is something brand new. I've never tried this before, and this is the Lasting Perfection foundation, and basically they've got a bunch of new shades. They sent me quite a lot of them. So this is shade Warm Ivory 2. It doesn't say anything about necessarily how much coverage or the finish of it. It just says lasts up to 16 hours, flawless coverage, which I don't know if that means full or just nice looking. Minimises imperfections, SPF 20 and oil free. So I'm going to give this a go now and just apply it with a sponge. Yeah, the shade range is actually really good for these. They did only used to have about, I don't know, I'd say probably about 4 or 5 shades of this. If you check out their social media, you'll see that they've got a really good selection. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend this in, and we'll check out what the coverage is like. It is blending in nicely, but I often get quite cakey in the centre of my forehead here, and it definitely has done that. It's got quite nice coverage. It's definitely medium, and I'd say this is a kind of matte looking foundation, but it's not completely. Like, I've definitely got some glow shining through. I do feel like it's a little bit cakey. It's definitely clinging to hair on your face and kind of emphasising that, so I don't know. It's okay, it's definitely okay. And next up we've got the traditional Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. They've come out with some new shades of this as well, which is amazing because they only ever had like 3 shades, I think it was. So they've come out with a lighter one and a darker one, which is amazing. I'm going to be using Fair One because this is definitely the one that matches me the best. I don't feel like I need to say too much about this concealer because I feel like you've all heard about it a billion times, but this is just a really nice, thick, full coverage, easily blendable concealer, which is going to work for anyone, I think. So the concealer has blended out fine on this foundation. I do feel like I am looking quite cakey though because they're both pretty thick products. But yeah, I'm going to move on to cream contour. So I have the Collection Precision Contouring Sticks. I have the shade Medium 2 here. And I'm just going to go ahead and say this now. I really like this product, so I'm just going to apply it on the hollows of my cheekbones. And as you can see, it's a really good colour. It does bronze your skin. It's not like completely grey toned and ashy. It's not orange at all. Like, it's a really good colour. I'm going to do a jaw contour as well today, which I never normally do, but you know, it's January, I've been eating a little too much through December, gotta make myself look a little bit more chiselled. This is going to require a little bit more blending. Like, I'm just patting a little bit harder, but it's nothing crazy. And it blends out just like that. Like, it looks so good. I really do like this because it's natural, but you can see that it has genuinely helped to give the appearance of shadows. That is contour sorted, and I really feel like this is such a gem. Like, it's so cheap and so easy to use, but it just looks so good. And I mean, I don't know if I've blended that very well, but it's so good. I really do recommend this one. I also have a cream highlight stick. I haven't got a blush from Collection, but this is the Speedy Highlighter, and again, this is such a pretty product. This is in the shade 1 Pearl Sheen. This is what the product looks like, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to the tops of my cheekbones before I set everything with powder. Just going to stripe it on there, stripe it on my nose and the other cheek, I just said this was a really nice product, but that has fully lifted up the foundation, but I'm just going to try and like blend it back into place. I do normally use this without foundation because I just think it gives that really nice natural glow to the skin. It normally gives a really pretty glow, as you can see. I didn't apply the best over foundation though, I'm not going to lie to you. And for my powder, I'm going to be using the Sheer Loose powder, which is in the shade One Barely There. This is what it looks like. It definitely isn't a white translucent powder, it has got colour to it. I'm going to try and do a bit of baking with this today underneath my eyes. And actually, that's not bad. That's not the worst thing I've ever used. It's not the best, but it's alright. The next thing I've got to do is eyes, and I haven't actually got an eyeshadow or anything like that from Collection, but I do have some of these, which are the Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Eyeliners. I've got a blue, a gold and a silver, and these are really good, but I don't really know how to use them in this look since I've not really got anything else to do, if that makes any sense. So I think what I'm going to do is just apply some normal black liquid liner and just like add it on top to make it a little bit sparkly. I don't know, I'm going to do it off camera and I'll get back to you guys and show you what the finished eye look or the eyeliner looks like. Okay, honestly I don't really know what I was going for, but I kind of did like winged liner with glitter on the outer and inner corner. Like, I mean, great product. These are so good. I really do recommend them. If you like doing glitter cut creases, they're very concentrated. They're not like watered down, so you get like 2 pieces of glitter. They are honestly really good quality. The brushes aren't exactly the most precise, but they are still really good, and I do really recommend these. They also have a lot of colours. I just curled my lashes. I'm going to go ahead and use the Collection Lash Surge Mascara. Very, very minimal, basic, just black packaging, which is a little bit boring, but I mean, you're really not paying very much for this, so I kind of understand. This product also has a fairly basic, very dense pipe cleaner kind of brush. I'm going to go ahead and apply this now. Ooh, oh, I just remembered I've actually got a Collection gel eyeliner in a pot. That's actually really good, but I forgot I had that, so I've not used it, sorry. I'm pleasantly surprised by this mascara. It makes your lashes look really long and curled and thick. It's not clumpy, but it does make your lashes look thick, and I actually am very impressed with this. I'm definitely going to be incorporating this into my more frequent uses, if that makes sense. I really like the way it made my lashes look, so definitely recommend this one. For my brows today, I've got 2 products. We've got the Define and Perfect Eyebrow Powder, and then the Colour Lash All Day Wear Colour Mascara, which is a bit stupid because it's called Colour Lash and it's clear. And this is what the eyebrow product looks like. This is apparently shade Blonde, but it is definitely not blonde. I mean, like, you can tell that's brown, but it's one of these like powders in a little thingy. I don't really know how you're meant to use these, to be honest with you. I think I'm going to keep it quite minimal because it is dark. So yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of this product, but I mean, it does an okay job. And one of the most annoying things is just the shade. Like, how is that blonde? It's clearly brown, but whatever, it's still an okay job. And then I'm just going to be brushing this through with the clear mascara gel. And then the final step is lips, and I've got quite a lot of lip products to choose from here. It's definitely the most variety out of what I've had today. So I've got 3 lip liners here. I've got a bright pink, a nude and a dark purple, which I've used these so many times and I know I really like them. I have got some of these, which are the Velvet Kiss Moisturising Matte Lip Creams, which are also really good. I have got these, which are the Intense Shine Gel Lip Colours, and these are basically like glossy lipsticks. These are actually really nice. And then the most recent thing I have been sent from them are the liquid lip colours, which are pretty much all like nude colours. I'm definitely going to be trying out some of these today. I'm going to be starting off with the nude lip liner, which is in the shade Nude Pink. As you can see though, this is a very pigmented and creamy product. I really do recommend this. And you could just leave this on its own, but I'm going to go ahead and top this with the Rich Truffle lipstick. Just looks really nice on top, and these are so creamy and they add a little bit of gloss. They're really pigmented as well. And then finally I'm going to go ahead and use shade Soft Kisses, which is the lightest nude one of these. And this is what the applicator looks like. It's one of the like bobbly ones, which I actually don't mind, it's fine. And this is the finished look. I am actually really happy with the way everything turned out, and I think overall it's a really good makeup brand, really affordable with some lovely products, and yeah, I don't think you'd be able to tell that this is necessarily a really super cheap makeup brand. Thank you so much to Collection for sending me these products. It isn't sponsored. Also, don't forget I have a PO box if you're interested in sending anything. I will be doing a PO box opening video when I receive everything, so check that out down below in the description. But I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye!